Hello guys, I am Rohit, previous year batch student of Analog IAS Academy. I have taken GS course and public administration from Analog IAS Academy. My GS course went very phenomenal. Every subject and every topic of UPSC has been dealt very meticulously. Throughout the preparation, a thorough detailing of GS subject and optional subject is indispensable. Analog Academy used to conduct weekly exams, fortnightly exams and monthly exams. We used to attempt all those questions, and expert faculty used to correct all these question papers. They used to give some tips how to write the answers and how we have to eliminate the options also. And after my GS course, I have attempted prelims in 2023. I was worried about the 2023 question paper. I got tensed also by seeing the question paper. The total pattern of UPSC and questions has been changed. So after that, I have come to Analog IAS Academy and I have talked with my faculty. Every faculty used to give me some tips about how to prepare for UPSC, how we have to tackle the UPSC questions, how we have to write an answer, how we have to connect all the current topics and current issues with the static subject. And also in the middle of our preparation, we used to feel some tensed and we used to have some stress on us. So Analog used to conduct ICAM sports meet also, where we got very friendly with our lecturers. After that, we have interacted with everyone, with every student and with every faculty member. It helped me a lot. So I used to visit every faculty member in their cabin, and we used to discuss some current related issues about some static part and current part. They used to give their opinion of all the topics, and also we also used to give our opinion on this topic, and they used to correct us. And our director Srikanth Vinnakota Sir also helped me a lot. We used to have interaction sessions, one-to-one interaction sessions with Srikanth Sir. He is very motivated person. He used to give some tips and tricks how we have to attempt for prelims and how we have to write an answer or everything. He used to give us from motivational tips also, how we have to release our stress and everything. And also in mentorship, I used to visit every faculty and have some discussions. And also we had a group of 5 friends. We used to discuss and debate all the topics in a classroom. Everyone used to explain the topic and we used to debate on that. We used to question them so that our preparation gets very vast, so that we can get every point, we get every detailing of the topic. So this is the experience of my 1 year with Analog IAS Academy. So I thank you everyone and Analog IAS Academy for giving me good mentorship also. Thank you.